and welcome to my channel. This is Chandana and I am going to do a very important as well as interesting topic of English grammar, narration. You will definitely get questions on this topic in your metric and higher secondary exam. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to understand what is the meaning of narration. So the meaning of narration lies in the word narration itself. The meaning of narration is to narrate the speech or the statement of the speaker. So I am writing the definition of narration here. To narrate the speech or the statement of the speaker. So narration means to narrate the speech or the statement of the speaker. অসমীয়াত ক'বলৈ হ'লে narration মানে বৰ্ণনা কৰা মানে কি বৰ্ণনা কৰা এজন বক্তাৰ স্পিকাৰজনৰ স্পিচ কথা বা উক্তিটো বৰ্ণনা কৰাই হৈছে narration. Narrate the statement or the speech of the speaker in two different ways, direct and indirect. In direct narration, we take the exact word of the speaker while narrating and we keep his statement or speech within inverted comma. But in indirect narration, we don't keep the exact word of the speaker. We just take the sense of his statement as it is, but we change the style of narrating his statement. So in indirect narration, we have to remove the inverted comma. Now I am taking an easy example to make you understand what is direct and indirect narration. Now let us take this sentence as an example. Riya said to me, I am very smart. Here Riya is the speaker and this part within quotation mark is the statement that is stated by Riya. Now we can narrate Riya's statement in two different ways, direct and indirect. In direct narration, we don't change her statement and that's why we will keep her statement within inverted comma. We will take the exact word of the speaker and we keep her statement within quotation mark. So this is direct narration. But in indirect narration, we will change her statement into our own words. Now we can convert Riya's statement into indirect narration like this. Riya told me that she was very smart. Now in this sentence, we don't take the exact word or the exact statement of the speaker. We just take the sense of the statement as it is. She was very smart. But we have changed the style of narrating the statement of the speaker. So this is indirect narration. It is sentence to ami অসমীয়াত কৰিলে কেনেকৈ হ'ব? Direct narration হ'ব ৰিয়াই কৈছিল মই বহুত স্মাৰ্ট. Direct narration মই ৰিয়াৰ কথাখিনি statementটো as it is ৰাখি দিছো. মই মানে ইয়াত ৰিয়া. Then এটি ৰিয়াৰ কথাখিনি মই মোৰ wordত express কৰিম. মই মোৰ wordত narrate কৰিম কেনেকৈ? ৰিয়াই কৈছিল যে তাই বহুত স্মাৰ্ট. So এইটোৱে হৈছে ডাইৰেক্ট আৰু ইনডাইৰেক্ট narration. এটা ডাইৰেক্টৰ পৰা ইনডাইৰেক্ট কৰিলে কি চেঞ্জেস আহে এই চেঞ্জেস খিনি আমি চাব লাগিব. So before converting direct speech into indirect or indirect to direct, we have to keep in mind two main things of changing narration, that is reporting verb and reported speech. So how will we recognize the reporting verb? So the verb in the first part of the sentence is the reporting verb, or we can say verb before the statement of the speaker is the reporting verb. For example, there are two parts in a sentence. Riya said to me, I am a doctor. So as we have seen, there are two parts of this sentence. This is the first part and this is the second part. So as I have already said, the verb in the first part of the sentence will be the reporting verb. So the verb in the first part is said. So this is reporting verb, or you can say, tell, tells, told. These all will be the reporting verb. Then come to the reported speech. So reported speech is very easy to recognize. So the statement of the speaker will be the reported speech. So the statement of the speaker is I am a doctor, or we can say the sentence within inverted comma will be the reported speech of the sentence. Here I am a doctor is a statement that is stated by Ria, and her statement is within inverted comma. So this is the reported speech of the sentence. Now let me tell you another important thing that will come with the reporting verb when we transform a direct speech into indirect. So let us take these two sentences as an example. There is a little difference between these two sentences. So let us have a look. Ria said to me, I am a doctor. So here said is a reporting verb and there is an object right after the reporting verb. But in this sentence, Ria said, that means there is no object after this reporting verb. So if there is an object after the reporting verb, then we have to put this said like this. Ria said will convert it into told. Ria told me that she was a doctor. Then come to the second sentence. There is no object after the reporting verb. That's why we don't have to put told here. We will keep said as it is. Ria said that she was a doctor. So আমি এতিয়া দেখিলো যে যদি ৰিপোৰ্টিং ভাৰ্বৰ পাছত অবজেক্ট থাকিব দেন said told হ'ব says tells হ'ব say থাকিলে tell হ'ব মানে ৰিপোৰ্টিং ভাৰ্বৰ পাছত যদি অবজেক্ট থাকিব দেন আমি said টো ট্ৰান্সফৰ্ম কৰি দিম told tell tells লৈ দেন যদি ৰিপোৰ্টিং ভাৰ্বৰ পাছত কোনো অবজেক্ট নাথাকে অকল যদি said থাকিব then we don't have to change this said to told or say to tell tells etc. Understood what is reporting verb and reported speech. Now we will see the changes that will come when we transform our direct speech into indirect. So the first change that will come with the change of person, then the change will come obviously with the tense, then the change will come with other parts of speech. So first of all we will discuss the change that will come with the person. So moi yat efale example likhisu aru person bila kenekoi change hobo hetu moi yat likhisu. So first sentence to ase he said to me aru ei eta sentence or duta part thake he said to me I am a doctor. So this is one part and this is one part. So a first part to hobo reporting speech or reporting verb to thake he part to hobo reporting speech aru g2 part quotation er bhitor thakibo he part to hobo reported speech. So ইয়াত আছে first person যদি reported speech or first person থাকে তেন্তে reporting speech or subject অনুসৰি reported speech or person change হ'ব. So let us take this first example. He said to will convert it into told. He told me that. So আমি ইয়াত দেখিলো I as we all know I is first person. So যদি reported speech or first person থাকে তেন্তে reporting speech or subject অনুসৰি এই person to change হ'ব. So আমি reporting speech or subject দেখিছো he. That's why we have to put he here. He was a doctor. Then come to the second example. Second example আছে reported speech or যদি second person থাকে তেন্তে reporting speech or object অনুসৰি এই reported speech or person change হ'ব. So second sentence he told me. Here me is object. So আমি দেখিছো reported speech or first thought subject আছে you and you is second person. যদি second reported speech or second person থাকে তেন্তে reporting speech or object অনুসৰি এই person to change হ'ব. He told me that. So here me object, that's why we have to put I. He told me that I was a doctor. Then come to the last example. He said to me, Riya is a doctor. So Riya here, in this reported speech, the subject is Riya and Riya is third person. That's why no change will occur when we transform this sentence into indirect. He told me that. So Riya is third person. So with third person, no change will come. So Riya will be as it is. Riya, he told me that Riya was a doctor. So this is the change that will come with. I'm concluding my video here today. I will make more videos on the change of tense and other things on narration. Hope you all like this video, and if you like this video, then please do like it, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries left, then you can comment in the comment box.